Good afternoon friends, hoping all of you are doing good. Now in today's demo I am going to show you how to change schema. So here is my ArcPro and I am having one folder as schema change which contains two folders. One is your input and other is your output. So this is my input folder, this is output folder. Now I want to change the schema of this geodatabase, console geodatabase, which is having two feature class. One is output features and other is property parcel. So I want to change the schema with this data to this output, and this is my console output. This is the output in which I want to change input geodatabase feature class schema to console output geodatabase feature class schema. So here is my geodatabase which contain two features. Now I will show you what it contains. This is other features and this is property parcel. So here it contains this data. So these are blocks, roads, tube wells, etc. See, now in property parcel, this is my property parcel and this is my other features. So both of these is having one subtype as SOI plot category. This is the subtype of a field, and this subtype SOI plot category we will use to change the data. So if you right click on this open features and if you go to this attribute table, what we observe is that it contains object ID, shape, unique SOI unique ID, SOI district code, SOI tehsil, likewise this. See, now it contains SOI plot category. So this contain built up area, this built up area, others are bridges, hand pump, and roads, tanks. So these are the features which this field contains. See, these are the subtypes of this field: built up, hand pump, well, tank, road, rail, stream, river, drain, canal, bridge, overhead tank. Now we will analyze our output geodatabase also. Like we want to convert this built up area, right? This built up area. We want to convert this built up area. We want to change it to output geodatabase. This is my output. This is my output geodatabase console output. I want to have this. I want to transfer this data in land use and in built up area. So I want this built up area data to be transferred to this built up area, but both are having different schema. Means here the fields are like here the fields are as I have shown you already, this object ID, shape, SOI unique ID, SOI district code. And in this land use, if I drag built up area to canvas, see, this is my built up. It contains residential, park, playground, Anand-GIS, and built up area type is my subtype. Here this is my subtype. So if I open its attribute table, what I will observe is that it contains object ID, shape, global ID, unique ID, state code, district code, tehsil code, block code, village code, LGD code, built up area type. So this is my subtype. Now here both the schema are different. Means input schema is different that of output schema, but I want to change. So we can use FME software, feature manipulation engine, or there is one tool in geoprocessing. That tool is called Append tool. So we are going to use Append tool. So here is your toolbar. Now here is Append. data management tool, so we will going to use this tool. See, this is my tool. Here it is asking me input data set. So my input is my other features, because I want this built up type, built up area as an input data set. Now expression, now I have to use one expression, create a new expression, where now I have to use what for filter? SOI plot category. So SOI plot category is equal to what? Is equal to your built up area, because I want to segregate built up area from other subtypes like road, hand pump, and this built up area now will going to separate from its subtypes. So here is target data set is where I want to take this data. So here is my built up area, this is my output, this is my output built up area. Schema type, input schema must not must match target schema, but here the schema different, so we will reconcile, we will use field map to reconcile schema change. So here is my field map. Now here is the output field, this is the input field. So I want to match, suppose I want to match district code, right? District code. So if you click on this district code, take it merge rule as first, add new source. Here in old fields, I want to map it. So our district code in output should be matched to input of SOI district code. This is the input, and you have to add selected. Same with tehsil code, go to tehsil code. This should be first only, add source. Now here is my tehsil, so I have to just check it that only tehsil. So SOI tehsil code, this is my tehsil code, so I have checked in. Now add selected. Same way block code, go to first only, add this block code. I think block number is your block code, yes, so I have mapped it. It's on you where in which way you want to map. Village code, in block code I think I have not added, okay, add it. Village code, add new source. Village code is, here is my SOI village code, so add selected. LGD code, first only, where LGD code, so here is my LGD code, SOI village LGD code, so add selected. In this way I am mapping in output field with input fields. Same way there are other items also, and this is the subtype of output, but I don't want selected things as a dispensary or community hall. Later on we will just give it subtype. So deleting this. Now I will learn it. Yes, done. I'm closing this tool. See, this is my built up area, this is my old property parcel, old object other features. Now here this is my built up area, see, so it has segregated built up area. Now if you open its attribute table, what you get is object ID, shape, global ID. By default it has taken some global IDs, and here is my, see, district code, tehsil code, block codes, village code, LGD code, whatever information I have provided at the time of field map, it has converted that to its mapped properties, that is field. So this way I have converted schema of input feature class fields to output feature class fields. Same way, suppose you want to do for whole thing, means for whole geodatabase, like for if you want to do this for open space, parcel property line, vegetation, whole, then you have to run this tool every time. But for that we will create a model builder. This very easy thing to create. I am going to show you how to create. Just go to analysis, click on model builder. This is model builder window. Now what you have to do is just you have to search one tool, that is your Append tool, right? So my Append tool is here only, toolbox, Append. So this is my Append. Drag and drop it to model builder, or double click on it. So here is my Append tool. So this is my Append tool. I am closing this. I am also closing this. Now here in map I am just deleting all these things, all this stuff. Edit, right, select rectangle, select it and delete. So I have deleted all this stuff. Delete. So here output built up area is not having any features now. So we will go to model builder, and this is my Append. Just what you have to do is right click, create variable from parameter, just input dataset, provide some input dataset, right click, create variable from parameter, target dataset, right click, create variable from parameter, schema type. We are not using a schema type. Here is field map, we are using field map. Now again go to create variable, right click, create variable from parameter, subtypes, this is important. Same way, right click, create variable from parameter, expression. Now you make it subtype as parameter, target dataset as parameter, input dataset as parameter, field map as parameter, expression as parameter, right? So if I click on input datasets, you have to choose from input dataset. So these are the input dataset, but we will learn and we will see. So for that, we have to run this model builder. So here is, I have to validate it and I have to save this. Before running I have to save this. So again go to catalog window, just choose some tool. This is Append, so I am creating one new toolbox in schema change. So here right click, new toolbar. So here is my new toolbar as Append new. This is my toolbar. In this toolbox I am going to save this model. So here in my model builder, here save as So where I have created in D. So this is my append. So I have selected my append, new tool, DBX toolbar. Now append. This is my model name, append schema. Save it. Now we will check it. Yes, it appeared here. Append. This is old one. Click schema change. This is append new. And we refresh it. This is my model append schema. So right click, open it. What it is asking me, subtype. You can change the sequence of this. I will show you how to. The input data set is other features. Target data set is my built up. Subtype, I am not choosing any subtype here. So what I have to do is I have to do field mapping and expression. So let's give some expression like where object ID is equal to, instead of object ID what we have to use is SOI plot category, because this is my subtype of input. SOI plot category is equal to what? Built up area. So I want to segregate subtype built up area from SOI plot category field, and I want to convert the schema of input SOI plot category to output schema. So here I have to match. So see, target is this, okay. Input data set is other features, target data set is this. Field map, again I will do this. I'm closing this. See, input data set is what? If I open it, my input data set is my other features, okay, and my target data set is what? Open. My target data set is built up area, and subtype I am not using it. So field map, expression, you have to use expression. Open. Here my expression is new expression where SOI plot category is equal to built up area, okay. Now field map, if you right click on this, open, this is field map. So here I want to map district code with what? Add new source. Just wait. What I will do is, just I am removing this. and again I am attaching this. Now this is my output, my console. This is my land use, this is my built up. Go to this, drag it here. Now again go to model, schema, append schema. Now here in field map, or open. Here is input data set. Again I will check other feature correct. Output is built up area. Expression is plot category. So plot category is equal to built up area. Now field map. Here what you have to do, you have to use the field map to reconcile schema differences. So now go to field map. See, now state code, district code should be matched to district code. This is district code. Add selected. Tehsil code should be matched to Tehsil code. So Tehsil code should be matched to, this is SOI. Tehsil code. So this is my SOI underscore Tehsil underscore code. Add block code. Again go to here. Add new source, block code. So this is my SOI block number. I am matching with block number. Village code, here I am matching with SOI village code. LGT code I am matching with SOI village LGT code. Here unique ID I am matching with object ID. This is object ID. So unique ID they have not provided, so we are not matching it. So here is my district code. I am matched with SOI district code. Output Tehsil code I am matched with SOI Tehsil code. Block code with SOI block number. Village code is SOI village code. So these feature type are, these fields I have matched. These are the output fields. Now again run it. Model builder, just validate it and run it. Yeah, succeeded. Go to this, see, here is my output data. So this is my output feature which is checked off. So here is my, this is my blocks. See, so it contains block code, village code, LGT code, right? And same thing, same as you have declared as a parameter. So what you can do is, there is another way you can do it. Just go to append schema, right click, and what you have to do is open. So it will open up your toolbox. So subtype we are not using it. So here target data set, you have to choose your target data set, input data set, and expression you have to choose. So here you have to choose expression, and here you have to reconcile your map like what we have done it here, and you have to run it. So this is the tool. Now if you right click on this and go if you go to its properties, what you will get is name is model 1, label, append, set password. You can set password if you want. You can set password of this model. Go to parameters, loading. Here in this way, here is input. I want to right click it, move up. So my first should be input, right? And this way you can do like schema type. I don't want this schema type. Yes, we require this, but what we require is to reconcile. So every time it will open that one. Built up input. This is expression. So here I have used this one. Field map. Here you have to do some field mapping. Right. So these are all parameters. Now you have to save it. Save. Validate. Again I will go here and open. See, my first one is here, input data, built up area. This is the name of output. So if you want, you can rename it as output. Right, and again save it, validate it, again run it. See, this is my input data set, this is my output. Output is my built up. Now I have to match, and here is my SOA plot cut is equal to built up area. If you want to segregate some other thing like hand pump, you choose hand pump, right, and save it. I don't want to save my query. If you want, you can save it. Here I have to match like district code. I have to match it what with SOA district code. Let's see, this is my district. Add selected, tehsil code. For what I am doing this thing, this is for hand pump, tehsil code. Like this you have to match all. I am not matching others, so just I am running it. See, done. Go here. So this is my hand pump. See here, yes, hand pump. Here I have to run one expression, but this is built up area. I don't want it built up area. I want that hand pump in some other area, some other thing like so. I have to change it. Where I don't want in built up area. I want that to be in other features. Here I have to go to this parcel. Okay, hydrography. Here I want this, but in water body. So drag and drop it here. Again go to append schema, geoprocessing. Here water body. So I want that output feature. This is my hand pump, and where I want in water body. So now append schema completed successfully. Previously it failed. So here is my water body. So this is my build up. See, and this is my water body. So these are my water bodies. Right click, just zoom to. So see, this is my hand pump vector. So in this way you can map your input schema to output map schema. Here, if you don't want it as a parameter, you just remove this parameter and you assign its path like this. Open, assign some paths. Same way, this is for built up area. You assign it for other hand pump, open other rail, road, right? Same way you just create all these models in this model only, all this model in this model only, and then you just run that model. You will get your desired output at one go. See, I have created for this, so I will have to remove this parameter because I don't want it as a parameter. So here you have to, here in expression you have to choose as hand pump. How? You have to copy all this thing. You have to copy all this thing and you just paste it here, right? See, so instead here my expression is built up area. Here I have to change it as what, hand pump, right? And my field map is same, and here is schema type is no test, and means you have to reconcile output. You have to select it as not built up area, as water body, right? Input data set is your other feature only. So if you run this whole, you have to validate, you have to save it, you have to validate it and run it. Then these both expression run simultaneously and you will get your desired output. This is my desired output. So friends, this is the method through which you can change your schema of input features class to schema of output feature class in ArcPro. So I have shown you how to use tool for changing schema and how to create model builder. So here I am closing my demo and hoping you enjoyed this session. Thank you all.